In 1997, the U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, detected a strange sound deep in the South Pacific Ocean. This sound was an ultra-low frequency, so massive that it was picked up from thousands of kilometers away. Its source was unknown, and it didn't match any recorded sound made by known animals. Experts even suggested it might have come from a creature larger than any whale. People started wondering if something unknown was lurking in the deep sea. The mysterious sound was named the bloop and quickly went viral, sparking theories about sea monsters, ancient beasts, and even aliens. Later, NOAA announced that the sound was likely caused by icebergs cracking and breaking apart, a natural phenomenon. But here's the catch. No one could explain how an iceberg could create a sound that powerful, or why nothing similar had ever been recorded before. Was it really just ice? Or is there something down there we still don't understand? The truth, no one knows.